So this is our can of juice. It's going up against the bow mark. 5 minutes.
You're thinking.
Whoa!
Okay, now, let's dump some gas and we'll put a plastic bottle full of gas sealed so that explodes.
Oh, we're not going to waste.
Oh, it's burning. It's burning inside.
What's burning?
Well, the whole thing's smoking.
What's that? Is that what you wanted to see? Well, there's no more air, so we can't.
Oh, it died.
Okay, hold on. Okay, here we are. We had a microwave, and we got Corey with a bow and arrow. You're gonna draw back that thing there. Look at the concentration there.
Here we go. Ready?
And that's what happens when you shoot an arrow into a microwave. Corey.
Ben, Angela, Corey.
Corey's got his bow.
We got a blunt
He
tip.
lost a tip on it.
Uh,
And we mashed the knock back in because it comes apart. Now, if you look at this microwave here, this is shot number 1. Kind of did some damage. Kind of blew it right out all there.
don't slam the door.
So I'm not going to slam the door, otherwise it'll shatter. Of course, you're going to shoot it again with no tip on it. In the control panel and see the denomination. Let me zoom in here. Oh, I can't. Okay. Hey, Corey.
Any number you want?
Go for the 3.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the screen, Corey.
Here, 1 sec. I'll take another shot.
That arrow's completely effed. Not bad.
Well, you're like 5 feet away from
Minute second timer.
What's in your pocket?
You're aiming for that one button.
Oh, it's just firework. I wouldn't worry about that.